the IEEE NSU Student Branch, inspiring unity and innovation for a better tomorrow. Here at IEEE NSU Student Branch, our members learn, build and push boundaries, from coding and robotics to networking and creative design. We organize tournaments, hands-on workshops and tech talks that connect innovation with real-world impact. With the 10 dynamic themes, IEEE NSU SB unites diverse talents under one vision, empowering students to innovate, collaborate, and grow together. Beyond technology, IEEE NSU Student Branch is a place where ideas grow through friendship, teamwork, and shared passion. Together we learn, together we innovate, together we build a better tomorrow. And the IEEE NSU Student Branch is working towards unity and innovation for a better tomorrow.